สวัสดีครับผมชื่อ Muhammad Wais Iskandar ครับวันนี้ back to Malay English I mean. So today we have another new guest for our review video, Miss Lokini, our writer. She's not an intern like us. She looks like one but she's not. Okay, so let's bring our product to review for today. Remember last time I do the unboxing video for that stuff? Yes, darling, it's the smart glasses.
Just for clarification, it's called the Huawei Gentle Monster Smart Glasses, okay?
Okay, so
Wow.
Okay, so let's open it. You know what? Like I said, screw rings. We do this to propose to our girlfriends nowadays.
Are you sure?
Yes.
No, I
Shut
prefer
up.
ring.
Shut up. Okay, so this is the glasses. I think instead of telling what the features, since we all know, I'm just gonna surprise them. So who wanna try first?
Me. Loki.
Okay.
So the glasses is right now connected to my phone via Bluetooth. Okay. So right now I am okay, so right now I'm going to play some music.
Okay.
Wow.
Okay? No, we're not playing WoW.
Can you not?
Seriously?
What does it feel like?
You all can hear?
Yeah.
I go high tech sikit.
Another surprise. Wait, huh?
Loki comel lah tadi lah tengok dia.
Okay, so to answer the call, tap twice on the right side of the frame.
Right. That's left.
Okay.
That side.
Hello. Oh, I can hear.
Hi.
Oh my god.
Okay, let's give to our other
Next.
reactors.
Wanna try?
Very good lah.
Penting nak.
Wow, macam professor.
Afiq, play the music.
Okay.
It's really nice, loud. Like apa tu macam feeling kau kat sana, macam feeling dia sebab dia dekat.
Okay, you can swipe left and right when you are adjusting the volume. Tap twice on the right side to answer a call.
Hi.
Hi.
Then tap twice again to hang up.
Okay, bye. Wise, mana macam kau. Betul nampak macam manager.
But it really looks cool.
It is really good, right?
Tak pakai earphone.
It's just like the same quality as wearing headphones, right?
Yeah.
Except we can hear.
Yeah, so
Yeah,
yeah, the
that's
others
the-
can
that's the only
hear.
thing.
So if you're out in public, please don't play anything
I think this is
inappropriate.
a. It will be nice if you're in your room and working while you're listening.
Lisa, you want to adjust the volume? Just swipe left and right. Tap twice on the right side to answer a call. Your hair is in the way.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi, Wai.
And surprisingly, it sounds good even when she's talking to the without the phone.
So on the caller side, you can hear her well when she's talking.
Hi, Wais.
Yes, very clear.
Like you're talking in the phone lah macam
Oh, suara Wais gentleman.
Okay, the case that Lokini is holding is actually the case to hold in the glasses, but it's also the charging case as well.
Yes, you can plug in back
Wow.
here.
And it's fast charging, so it didn't take us long to charge it to right now it's
How
at
does
9.
it charge?
You
Okay.
you put it inside here.
Yeah.
Something like I don't know.
No. Right, upside, right side, up, no, up.
You
Okay.
know, basically the airport, like you put in your airport, right? You charge, right? It's something.
Okay, so this is how you charge it. Okay.
Then close it and then plug it inside here.
First impressions, reactions, you guys. What's
Reaction
your thoughts?
time.
Okay, so I was really excited and I think when I used it, it gave me a new experience because I've never seen this before. So for me, it's like a very new experience and I feel the quality is good and it actually suits you. It's not like too big or too small, it's just nice. The only thing I feel is that if it can only give the sound to like, you know, it's like a loudspeaker that even when I answer calls, yeah, so that's the only thing, but I really love it.
My point of view is like, you know, sometimes we don't really have our phones in the hand, you know. Basically, it'll be in your pocket. So you imagine if you're gonna hold your bags and everything, but you just can tap and you can talk to anyone. I think people who is too busy, they actually can have this lah.
And to reach.
And yeah, like I said, yeah, if you want it, you'll get it lah. It's usual lah. And I think it's nice. The color is nice. It suits, black suits everything lah. So whenever even her face is smaller, my face is bigger and all that, but it suits both of us. So I think it's really a good quality. And I feel like Huawei is really,
They're stepping up their game.
yeah, they are really doing good job.
Okay.
Means they are really satisfying their customer.
For me, I think I really love this because I
This is not Muat speaking test.
no, memang dah bukan buat speaking test. Tapi bodoh. I think I really love it because I don't need to bring my earphone everywhere. So I just pasang this spec tu and then dengar je lagu.
Alright.
See, we only we say spec.
Okay, so there are
Yeah,
some.
spec.
Okay, so there are some other features in the glasses, but we just haven't figured them out yet. So you guys will just have to stay tuned for our full review on our website at lifeandpc.com. Okay, so thank you guys for your reaction. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a like and
Like,
subscribe to our channel.
Don't
And,
forget
Swipe up. Swipe up. Dah Instagram kalau Afiq post.
and don't forget to follow us on our social media at lifeandpc.com on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.
And my Instagram as well.
No.
Okay, so thank you guys for watching. We'll see you all in the next video.